Don't forget to check out our top-selling CPD certified Excel courses and our awesome Excel training app. Our innovative Excel training app allows you to take our Excel courses inside your Excel application itself, giving you a truly immersive learning experience. Hello. In this video, we will learn about the sum function and AutoSum in Excel.
In Excel, the sum function adds numbers in a range of cells, and you can use it to sum individual values, cell references, or a mix of both. So let's see example over here. So the sum function starts with SUM. So you can type equal SU and then M. Then Excel's IntelliSense will show you the function here. You can click tab to select that. And then we have to give a range of cells that we want to sum. So we'll give this range of cells, C4 to C12. And then I will close the parenthesis and press enter. So the formula has added all of these values in this column. We can also use the sum function this way. We can say equal sum function, and then we can give values as well. Let's say I want 100, and then I want to also add another value. To separate the arguments, I can use a comma like this. So I can put a comma, and then let's say I want to take a cell reference. I will take this cell reference C4. And then if I want to add additional cell references, I can put a comma again and then select some other cell range. So this will add all of these values in these two cell ranges and the 100. So I can close the parenthesis and press enter. So I get the total over here. If you give a range of cells for the sum function and that let's say there are text in it, sum function can ignore those text and just add up the values that are available here. So here you see these texts are there. If you take this range like this, so if I use the sum function on this range, it will only add up the 100 values in this range. So let's see that. I say equal sum function, and then I'll select this whole range and then close the parenthesis, and I get 600. So it's added this 100, 100, 400, and then 600. The 600s only it has added together and it has ignored the text values. Excel has a useful feature called AutoSum, which allows you to automatically apply the sum function, and it will automatically suggest a range to sum, so it will save you some time. So let's try that over here. So if I come here and then on the home ribbon, if I go to this editing section, editing group, this is AutoSum over here. And it's showing there's a shortcut key, Alt and equal. So if I click on the AutoSum from here, it has selected this range as the possible range that I want to use. So in this case, it's correct. So I can just press enter to apply the formula. So it has applied the formula. So from here, this cell over here, if I invoke the AutoSum from there, it will select the closest row of data. In this case, it is correct. But if it's not correct, I can still adjust the range like this and then correct the formula. So I'll leave it as it is. So it has taken the total there. So here, if I were to use the shortcut key is shown here as before. Alt and equal is the shortcut key. So if I use Alt and equal over here, it will select the closest column of data and I can press enter. And also if I invoke the shortcut key from this cell over here, Alt and equal, it will select the closest row of data. If I delete these values over here, I can also select the whole range where I want to have the AutoSum and then use Alt and equal. So it will apply AutoSum to the whole range of cells like this at once. And this one also, let me delete this. So let me select this whole range like this, and I will do Alt and equal, and the AutoSum gets applied to these ranges as well. So it has correctly calculated the sums. That's another way we can do the AutoSum in this situation. I can select the whole range, including the column where I want the total and the row where I want the totals, and then do Alt and equal. So it will immediately add the total sums across columns like this and these rows like this. So AutoSum saves you a lot of time when you want to apply the sum function. And also, by the way, Excel has more than 500 functions in its library, but only the sum function has a shortcut key in the form of Alt and equal sign. So because sum function is the most frequently used function, it has a shortcut Alt and equal.
Thanks for watching. Now, if you like this video, why not subscribe to support us and get notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.